you're new here, I do product reviews, and starting a new thing basically on this channel is do like programming, like basically just app reviews and sort of like tutorials, but basically this is a product review channel. So if you're interested, this is a channel for you. You might like it. I hope you subscribe, and basically I hope you enjoy this. So we're gonna do Xcode for beginners. This is a beginner like tutorial about what Xcode is. So basically, Xcode is a programming software for Apple's OS. So basically, you can do it for Mac OS TV and Apple Watch and iPhones, iPods, all of that. Basically, to make games, apps, basically to help people or just make like entertaining games. So this is for like all iPhones and everything basically. So basically, let's do playground. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna name it test 2.0. So you get iOS basically for iOS, and then basically you can choose all of these. So I think it's pretty explanatory. Save it wherever you want. I do it on the desktop. I already made a ton. And then basically this is where you test your code. All the code goes here, and then output to see like you put like your variable and stuff, and there's like so much, and it'll output to see if it works and what it outputs, and it puts it right here. So this is for like starters to see if your code works. So basically the second one is Xcode Project. So basically iOS application. This one's for like a lot of things. This one's for scrolling, so if you want like notes and all that application to make, this is the one. Basically this one does most of it. Tabbed application does like tabs on the bottom. Game is for if you want to design a really good game or just games, you can do that with single view. So, and then you get framework. This you don't need to worry about that. It's for libraries basically. Watch OS, you get all these. So basically it's you make an app for Apple Watch. TV OS applications, you can make a game for it. Single view application, tabbed. So OS X, you can make a game. Can do a Cocoa application. It's basically like a normal application. All the libraries. So then you get your system plugin basically. These are just like extras. So and you can't other basically. This is just for like different things. So we're just gonna do iOS application. That's what I know most. So we're gonna do a single view application. That's like the most common. So and game, but we're gonna do single view since that's the one I know of a lot. So I'm just gonna name it my test. Basically, then organization name is basically who you are. So and then organization develop identifiers basically your basically website or so. I just wrote my first last name. So and you need a developer account to actually upload it to the App Store. It costs $100 per year, I believe. So basically just go to developer.apple.com and it'll say through there, link in the description to get to that website. So basically then you need to do Swift. Objective-C is like a long time ago. Basically they don't use that. You can't upload anything with Objective-C no more. So you need to use Swift. You need to know how to use that. Universals for like iPod Touch, iPhones for all of that, iPads too. This is just for iPad, device, and iPhone. So you don't need to click this, any of these. Just click next. I'll save it to my desktop, and basically it'll form a folder, so you can save it all in here, and then just launch your code with this. So basically, then you went here. So normally it would bring to test on any device. You don't need your phone. This is for developers. So basically, you can do it with your phone connected, and basically these are all free to use. So basically now it's the 7.7 Plus with a newer update. I still have the older one, so it doesn't give me those options. So basically you can click it and basically run your application with start. This is to stop. So then you go to app delegate. This is basically one part where you can do output or so. You control just basically where all your code goes. Main storyboard is basically how you, they will view it. So basically, and to add things is, so I scroll all of this up. I normally go to this one, or oh yeah, it's this home button right here. looks like a home button. This is where you can add all the things. So I normally do is, I forgot where it was. It was one of here. So, oh yeah, use auto layout. Just disable it, and now it looks like an iPhone, so it's easier. And then just to pull it up, and basically you can add things like a button. You can place it anywhere you want, make it bigger or smaller. So basically, this is where you can design everything, and you have all these options. So if you want to just add like this, you want to click this one, and you get all of these tools like switches. And then if you want, you click this to view your code basically, and this too. So basically, I won't get to in depth that much. So basically, you just have to wait for that load. I don't know why. Probably it's slow for something. So basically, until you can drag it to like mirror it or so. So that's what that does. So basically, you can edit a ton to get this away. Click the lines and then just open this to get the side. This is for like debugging or so. So basically, and then just click the test by clicking the start. That one has to like load everything. So, and then it just built a simulator. So it will start it and basically load your application. So I don't need to do that right now. I don't want to, because it's going to take time. So you just click that to stop it. It will just stay there. So I'm going to quit that. So, okay, I might have said that. So this is just information. This is where your folders are basically. So that's for iOS application. That's the one I'm familiar with. And then this is where you can like double click to run your basically programs, even with your normal ones. And you can even do it through your normal folders that you saved. You can do on desktop is the easiest. And basically just click it and it'll open up your thing just that fast. So it's really easy. And to just update it, you can basically just go to Xcode. You can even open it through here. That's basically just to go to Xcode, then go to App Store. So, and then just click updates and you'll be able to update it. And I already showed you how to purchase it. So basically it's free on the App Store, on Mac OS App Store. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped you if you're a beginner on Xcode. And basically if you are into programming, I hope this helped you to go through the interface, and I hope I helped you. So if you're into Xcode, I hope this did, and just if you enjoyed, I hope you subscribe. It'll help me a lot and make videos just like this one and product views. So if you're wanting to see product views, this is the channel what I do it with. So all you need to do is just subscribe. I actually made a new layout now. So now I named it the TPP Army. You might see it's like sort of weird, but yeah, basically that's basically what I did. This is just how it looks like all I made. So I'm actually going to make more. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I'll try to get to 10 likes, and peace out and subscribe. So, and comment down below too if you enjoy this video, if you subscribed, and if you're into programming and want to do it. So thanks for watching. Peace out. Comment, like, subscribe what I said. So one more time, peace out.